Hello students, welcome to the topic of Acme threads cutting, male and female with tool grinding. At the end of this exercise, you shall be able to cut and match internal and external single start Acme thread, cutting Acme thread by tilting the compound rest method.
Materials and equipment. Lathe machine. Cutting tools. Tapping tools. Thread grinding machine. Grinding wheels. Calipers or micrometers. Process 1. Hold the job in 4-jaw independent chuck and through the job. Turn diameter 40 mm for possible length. Knurl on diameter 40 mm and chamfer the edge 1 into 45. Reverse and hold on knurl diameter and through the job. Center drill the end. Finish turn diameter 32 mm for 130 mm. Step turn to 25 mm for a length of 20 mm. Form the radius groove for 7 mm width and maintain diameter 25 mm. Chamfer the end to 1 into 45 degree chamfer threaded end to 3 into 30 degree. Arrange the gear train for 5 mm pitch thread. Hold the Acme thread cutting tool in the tool post to center height. Cut external Acme thread. Check the thread formation. Acme thread cutting, female. Process 1. Hold the job face the ends to length, turn diameter 40 mm and chamfer the ends. Knurl on diameter 40 mm. Drill and bore the hole to the core diameter of the thread by supplying coolant to the job. Cut internal Acme threads and match. Chamfer 3 into 45 degree at both the ends of the nut. Hold the assembled male and female jobs between the chuck and the center. Process 2. The workpiece should be properly mounted and finish turned to the major thread diameter. The tool should be correctly set and the compound rest swivel to the right at an angle of 14 degree to the normal. The offset angle of 14 degree makes the tool feed into the work at an angle. Because of the offset angle, most of the stock is removed by the left side of the tool. The chip also curls out of the way to the left. The right side of the threading tool shaves the newly cut threads smoothly. Grind Acme thread tool for the required thread angle and pitch. 29 degree, 4 mm pitch. Clamp the tool in the tool post to the center height and align with the center gauge with minimum overhang. Ensure that the tool is set to the center height. Check the diameter of the workpiece to be threaded by referring to the working drawing.
In this video, we learn about how to cut and match internal and external single start Acme thread and how to cut Acme thread by tilting the compound rest method. I hope you have understood all the concepts and exercises. In our next video, we will bring you another wonderful concept. Till then, take care.